Hello everyone. Let's see today how to sign in Epon OLT. Right click on Start menu and click Run. Type ncpa.cpl here and click OK. This will show all network cards in your PC. Connect NMS port of the OLT to network card. Open Network Properties window. Change IPv4 setting to manual IP assignment. Set network card IP. Press Tab button on your keyboard and click OK. Open command prompt. Ping 192.168.100.1. Successful ping means connection to OLT from PC is working fine. Open your web browser now. Enter OLT IP and hit enter. Now you can see the OLT login page. Enter root as username and admin as password. Click the login button or press enter. That's all. Thank you for being with us. Visit hsgq.com not only for product queries, also for support and solutions.